All right, this one is pretty easy. So here in the middleware folder, let's add a new file called toast.js. Here we're going to define a function called toast. So store goes to next, goes to action, goes to this block of code. Now in this block, we check the type of our action. So if action, the type equals error, that's when we want to use a toast notification library to display a message to the user. But in this demo, we just want to do a console.log and prefix the error message with toastify. Now we get the error from the payload of the action. So action.payload.message. Okay. Now, otherwise, if this action is not an error action, we just want to pass it to the next middleware function. As simple as that. Next, we're going to export this, export default toast, and finally we need to register it when setting up our store. So save the changes. Let's go to configure store, import our new middleware from middleware/toast. And then we're going to pass it in this array. So first we add all the default middleware that comes with Redux Toolkit. At the time of recording this video, that's Redux Thunk. In the future, we will have some additional middleware by default. Next, we add our logger, and then we add our toast middleware. So in index.js, if we dispatch an action with this type, we get this message on the console, beautiful. If we dispatch a different type of action, we don't get that message. So that brings us to the end of this section. In the next section, we're going to talk about API calls in detail.